Good afternoon, everyone. Warm and hearty greetings to one and all present here. Welcome to the technical session 6 of ICAMC 2025. We are honored to have you all today as we explore the forefront of technological innovation and its impact on the world. It is our privilege to welcome respected Chairperson Dr. M. Balakrishna Sir, Assistant Professor at the University School of Information and Communication Technology, GGSIBU, Delhi. He holds a BE in Computer Engineering from NSIT, an MTech in Information Technology from GGSIBU, and a PhD in Computer Engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia University. He has previously served as a Senior Research Associate at IIT Delhi, contributing to projects in digital and embedded systems. His core areas of expertise include wireless ad hoc and sensor networks, mobile and pervasive computing, cognitive networking, embedded systems, and network security. A committed academic and researcher, he has numerous publications in reputed journals, conferences, and book chapters, and is an active member of IEEE and ACM. Thank you, sir, for gracing this session with your presence. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Start.
Now we will proceed with the presentation of papers. I would like to call upon Jagriti Sharma of paper ID 95 for her presentation of paper.
टाइम लिमिट बोल दो भाई सर कह रहे हैं 10 मिनट्स है नंदनी
Yes.
नंदनी अनाउंस
हर 10 मिनट्स के बाद
The time limit for this session is 10 minutes.
Very good afternoon to all the dignitaries, professors, and fellow researchers. My name is Jagriti Sharma, and I am honored to present my paper titled as a comprehensive review on geolocation-based attendance monitoring system in various industries. This work is a part of ICAMC Conference 2025, and which is hosted by HMR Institute of Technology and Management. So let's begin with the introduction part. So let's begin with the introduction part first. This review paper explores how geolocation and biometric technologies are being integrated into attendance system to replace outdated manual methods. These systems help to reduce errors, prevent fake attendance, and make tracking more accurate and efficient. At the same time, the paper emphasizes the need for secure and ethical handling of user data and privacy. As it shows in the image as well, the basic flow of how geolocation-based attendance monitoring system is worked. It typically starts with the user verification and then followed by the location tracking, then securely storing the attendance data. Let's move to the next slide. In next slide, now let's take a look at what other researchers have been done in these fields. The first one is Wi-Fi position. Wi-Fi positioning work by triangulating manipulate multiple Wi-Fi networks to accurately track a user. It uses Wi-Fi person indoor, where GPS might not working well. It's practically used in classrooms and offices. The second one is low energy BLE Wi-Fi. These are the physical devices present in the central range that connect to Bluetooth of phones. They are ideal for indoor environments like school and hospitals. They help to pinpoint location more precisely when GPS fails. The third one is GPS-based student attendance system. This paper presents a mobile-based attendance system that uses geographically the technology to automate attendance marking, targeting improved accuracy, and minimizing manual efforts in educational and organizational contexts. The fourth one is location tracking using Harbison formula. These systems utilize GPS coordinates of the user and measure the distance from the user predefined coordinates to user coordinates to check if they are in the range or not and mark their attendance on the basis. To determine this distance, Harbison formula is used. The fourth one is QR code. It is a contactless method using short-range communication. It's already popular in industries for quick identifications and logging. The last one is student attendance management. This system integrates multiple tools like geofencing, Firebase, and facial recognition. It automates it automates attendance by checking if a student stays within a virtual boundary for the specific time. Now, next slide. Now, let's look at the research gaps identified in the existing locations based on students. The first one is Wi-Fi distribution. Wi-Fi signal can be heavily affected by environmental factors such as human, furniture, etc. Also, the system works in two-dimensional grids, so thus their loads aren't being covered using these actions. The second one is low energy BLE Wi-Fi. Physical barriers like walls and electromagnetic inductions and crowded areas can be declined in the accuracy and beacon signals. Also deployed involves a costly method. The third one is GPS-based student attendance. Inaccurately reading indoors as signal are weak and no biometrical of identification verification needed. The fourth one is location tracking using Harbison formula. These systems might get incorporated indoors where GPS signals are weak. Also changes of GPS spoofing if anti-GPS spoofing measures are not taken in consideration. The fourth one is QR attendance system with geolocation. Change of proxy attendance as identical verification plus changes of GPS spoofing if and GPS spoofing measure are not considered properly. Last one is attendance system using geofencing and face verification. Less accuracy indoor and constant GPS usage will lead to the higher battery consumption which leads to the problem. Let's move to the conclusion. In summary, geolocation-based attendance systems holds emphasize potential in transferring attendance tracking across industries, despite current limitations such as indoor accuracy issues, hardware costs, and privacy concerns. Ongoing advantages in AI, biometric authentication, and secure combination. Multiple technologies to improve reliability and user trust. By addressing these challenges, we pave the way for smarter and transferring attendance systems that align with the modern organization needs and ethical standards. Last slide is, these are the references we use during our studies, and thank you for being patient and listening here. That's all about it. So basically, this formula is used to find the distance. basically, it is a formula which is used to determine the distance between the actual presence of a user and the we are automatically saving the coordinates, the predefined locations, and we are finding the distance by using this formula from the user's location to the accurate location of the.
So geofencing both are same.
No, no, no.
Third and last one. Location using harmonization and then geofencing.
Geofencing,
Last
sir,
one.
can you please mention?
Last one is geofencing.
Okay, last one. Basically, geofencing is using the GPS, and in harvesting we are using the formula for calculating the.
GPS is there, na? They also have GPS.
It is simply mentioning that the GPS spoofing is one of the major issues that can be happen if we are using the harvesting formula. I am just defining the research gaps which are going to fulfill with that research work.
But the second one, they explain what is the meaning of BLE.
BLE basically it is a transmitters, the small minimum transmitter of Bluetooth. So basically they are used to track the locations by using the Bluetooth of the phones.
When you mentioned the security issues of this,
Can you please repeat?
what are the security issues?
Security issues of the. Okay, the first one is we are using the face recognition of user. So it is storing the data of user. So it can make one of the bigger issue for that. And the second one is we are using GPS. So GPS is also making the concern for storing data in the cloud itself. So it can be also a major issue for that.
What is your future scope? Are you working? Can you? What is your profile?
Okay, so let me explain.
Each participant should tell their profile before starting the session. You tell about yourself.
Okay, I am telling about myself. My name is Jagrati Sharma and currently I am pursuing BTech from Institute of Technology, and I have also completed my diploma from.
BTech in which semester or which
I am in sixth semester right now. CS, computer science.
So in summer training, BTech 6 years.
Yes.
So in summer training, are you working for these areas?
Yes, sir, I am going to work. We already have been worked for the research paper as well on this. This is the review paper.
Ask the audience to ask.
What?
Ask the audience if they have anything to ask.
Anyone have any query? Please ask. Okay.
Can you tell the benefit of this? Can you tell the benefit of this system?
Benefits of these. Sir, basically, if we are going to conclude with that, so in the research we are using the Wi-Fi positioning because Wi-Fi is the one of the major factors which are going to affect. If we are using GPS itself, so it is making the problem of battery as well. If we are using GPS tracking, so it is also measuring the issue of battery draining itself. So apart from that, we are using the Wi-Fi positioning. Basically, in Wi-Fi positioning, we are using the MAC address and going to store in the database itself. So it can be easily for us to verify whether the user is in the range of that or not. And we are also using the geofencing. These are using the coordinates of that, and we are going to measure that the user within the range or not. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. I would now like to call upon Arsh Ahmed with paper ID 674 to deliver the presentation.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Arsh Ahmed, and today I am presenting our research paper. The title is Transformative Impact of AI on Education System. The co-authors are Abhishek Shivam Bharadwaj and Piyush Tiwari under the guidance of Ms. Jyoti. The introduction of the presentation is AI is reshaping education through personalization and scalability. UNESCO 69 million new teachers needed by 2030. AI can improve accessibility, teaching, quality and learning outcomes. Objectives: examine AI role in enhancing or reshaping modern civilization and education. AI has the potential to revolutionize teaching, learning, and administration, emphasizing